Do you have an error preventing the Security-Base API DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Before we start the Security-Base API manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Security-Base API, a foundational Security-Base API Set Shim. It redirects unmanaged security-related calls, e.g., access control, SID management, to the kernel base, mandatory for the operational stability of all modern 64-bit software security manifests. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Security-Base API DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Security-Base API component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3. And if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A quick warning, many sites offering Security-Base API DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Security-Base API. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Security-Base API remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.